For most of us, our home is the largest single investment we'll make in a lifetime. Whether you're building a new home or resurrecting an existing one, it's really worth considering employing a professional landscape designer to bring your property to life. Here's why. A professional landscape designer translates your own thoughts and ideas into real-world functionality. They take into consideration all of your lifestyle choices and work with you to create outdoor living spaces that fit perfectly. Get it right up front and you'll be pleased you did. A potential danger of building new outdoor spaces without a proper design plan is the risk of unforeseen costs. With a detailed design plan, you'll have an accurate understanding of all the costs, materials, plants, soils, council approvals if required, trades and labour charges. No costly, unexpected surprises. Growtech's landscape designers are also qualified horticulturists. We'll recommend the most suitable plants for your property and offer guidance with soil improvement and maintenance hints and tips. Your gardens will look fabulous throughout the year. You know, there's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to landscape design. It's all about the look and feel that you want. With a professional landscape design for your property, you'll add real value to your home as well.